Linux Mint's development team made a blog post today announcing a nickname for the upcoming 22.3 release, as well as estimating the arrival date of the first beta release, and listing some specific new features we can look forward to. Linux Mint 22.3 will officially carry the moniker Zena, continuing the tradition of giving Mint releases typically female names in alphabetical order. The current stable version, 22.2, is named Zara. So as I write this, I'm trying to be careful not to get my Z names mixed up. Zena, though, does distinctly remind me of a certain futuristic Disney Channel original movie I remember watching as a kid. The Mint team also showed off the Cinnamon application launcher menu's new symbolic category icons, like a gamepad representing the games category of application, a paperclip for Office, and a cloud for web. Small graphical improvements like this make Mint, the Cinnamon edition specifically, a more welcoming environment for folks coming over from other desktop operating systems. Going beyond names and icons, the blog post listed several features arriving with Zena that have been explored in past announcements. They include the system information overhaul announced last month, plus the Cinnamon menu and Wayland-compatible keyboard improvements. The development team talked about some previously unannounced improvements too, listing them as follows. The ability to pause file operations in Nemo or snapshots in Timeshift, text messaging in Warpinator, always-on nightlight, template management, per-app panel notification indicators, etc. Most exciting to me in that list is the file operation pauses in Nemo. Being an amateur data hoarder, I'm constantly moving large files around my systems, so the ability to pause operations while I do something else can come in really handy. I'm also interested in the Warpinator texting capabilities. I remember when Warpinator was first announced as a new local network file sharing tool. I was super impressed at the time by the native Mint app letting me send files between my devices at lightning speed. I could be misreading GitHub commits, but from what I can tell, the text messaging feature will let you send messages to the devices you're connected to via Warpinator. Presumably, that will be useful if you want to explain to the receiver why you're sending a file without needing to talk to them face-to-face or message them with a different app. Otherwise, 22.3 is shaping up to be a solid entry in Linux Mint's release history. While I don't daily drive it myself, I'm always interested to see what's happening in the first Linux distribution I ever tried. According to the blog post, we can expect a beta release available in the middle of December. When that happens, you'll be able to download and try out Zena for yourself and contribute to the beta testing effort if you want to. In the meantime, you can get the latest image for Linux Mint 22.2, Zara, from the Mint Downloads page.